Hey guys, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video we will be talking about how to install the Toffee GTK theme on Linux. So to start off, you're going to need to install some dependencies. So let's go get that going. Now, lots of different dependency packages takes some time, and I've got it listed out for all of the Linux distributions out there. But once it's done downloading, you can go ahead and clone the theme files and downloading is almost done. A bit slower than normal for some reason, but it's also a lot of files, so you gotta keep that in mind. Alright, now that everything's done downloading, you can cd into the folder, run ls just to take a look at everything. From there, you need to run the parse sas. My bad. Forgot to install that package. Anyway, parse sas, I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it's an important script that you gotta run. You let it run, it'll generate new stuff that you need, like CSS files and such. After that, you can just run the installation script with install.sh. Alternatively, you can run it with sudo and that will install it system-wide. Now to apply the theme, you're going to want to open up the tweak tool right here, the GNOME tweak tool, then go to themes and you go to Toffee. Now, I showed you how to install this on the Ubuntu GNOME desktop. It's going to be different depending on your operating system and your distribution. So why don't you go ahead and check the article in the description and you'll learn a little bit more about how to get it working on other desktops. But this is how to get the Toffee GTK theme up and running on Linux. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a great looking theme, I think, and it's definitely one worth checking out. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video.